और इस वक्त आप देख रहे हैं सीधा प्रसारण, जहां पर स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय की ओर से एक संवाददाता सम्मेलन को संबोधित किया जा रहा है।
Prevention and containment of COVID-19 in the country. In continuation of the travel advisories issued on 11th and 16th of March 2020, the following additional travel advisory has been issued today. Travel of passengers from Afghanistan, Philippines, and Malaysia to India is prohibited with immediate effect. No flight shall take off from these countries to India after 1500 hours Indian Standard Time. The airlines shall enforce this at the point of initial departure. This instruction, to reiterate, is a temporary measure and shall be enforced till 31st of March 2020 and will be reviewed subsequently. In addition, 3 additional guidelines have been issued today. The first one being guidelines on clinical management of COVID-19, triage, early recognition of patients, implementation of infection prevention and control measures. This guideline has been revised based on experts' opinion and updated accordingly. Guideline has also been issued for dead body management towards standards, precautions, infection prevention and control measures, handling of the body and environmental disinfection. Guidelines are also issued for private sector laboratories intending to initiate COVID-19 testing. To detail, laboratory tests should only be performed when prescribed by a qualified physician as per ICMR guidance for testing. Since the guidance evolves periodically, the latest revised guidelines should always be followed. ICMR will share the SOPs for laboratory testing and provide positive controls for establishing the test as soon as the concerned private laboratory has procured the primers, probes, and reagents as per the SOPs. Adoption of commercial kits for testing should be based on validations conducted by ICMR, National Institute of Virology, Pune. Appropriate biosafety and biosecurity precautions should be ensured while collecting samples from a suspect patient. Alternatively, a disease-specific separate collection site may be created. All the private testing laboratories, to ensure immediate, real-time reporting to the state officials of Integrated Disease Surveillance Program and ICMR headquarters for timely initiation of contact tracing and research activities. ICMR has strongly appealed that private laboratories should offer COVID-19 diagnosis at no cost. An advisory was also issued today by the Department of Personnel and Training, citing preventive measures to be taken by all the employees of ministries and departments to control the spread of COVID-19. All ministries, departments have been advised primarily to install thermal scanners at the entry of building as feasible, mandatorily place hand sanitizers at entry points. Those found with flu-like symptoms may be advised to take proper treatment, quarantine, etc. Meetings, as far as feasible, should be done through video conferencing and avoiding meetings involving large number of people. Avoiding non-essential official travel. Undertaking essential correspondence on official email and avoid sending files and documents to other offices to the extent possible. Ensuring proper cleaning and frequent sanitization of the workplace, particularly of the frequently touched surfaces. Looking out for respiratory symptoms, fever, and if any employee is feeling unwell, he should leave the workplace after informing the reporting officer. Advising all employees who are at high risk, particularly older employees, pregnant women, and employees who have underlying medical conditions, to take extra precautions and not to expose such employees to any direct contact with the public. These are few of the things which have been advised today. The detailed advisory can be found on the DOPT website as well as the Ministry of Health website too. As on today, there are 137 confirmed cases in India, including 14 who are now COVID-free and 3 reported deaths. 2 of the deaths had already pre-existing comorbidities as reported earlier. The third disease case reported today is from Maharashtra with travel history to Dubai and he did not disclose at the time of his admission about his travel history when he first reported to a private hospital where he was treated initially. Contact tracing of these positive cases has led to identification of more than 5,700 contacts who have been put under surveillance. Government is taking appropriate steps to limit the spread of COVID-19. As I requested yesterday, we look forward for a whole of government and a whole of society, that is, Sampoorn Sarkar, Samaj Samaj approach and the cooperation of everyone in dealing with the situation.
Mr. Malik, you want to share anything from the helpline number or anything from the MHA side?
Good evening, friends. Just an information. The Bureau of Immigration, to attend to the queries regarding travel, visa, immigration restrictions, etc., they have now opened a 24/7 helpline. If you want to note down the number, it's a Delhi landline number 011 243 00666. I repeat, 243 00666. And also an email support address. The address is support.covid19-boi@gov.in. I repeat, support.covid19-boi@gov.in. Thank you.
Friends, we can take some questions now. Number 41.
So can you just give us details about any evacuation plan when it comes to Iran and Italy? Also, sir, there are reports of people getting infected in Iran, Indians. What is the plan for them?
So just to highlight, we have already done evacuation in Iran as well as Italy. And yesterday we got samples collected by sending a special team to Italy also. Those samples have come, the testings are going on. And we have already brought these people, they are already with us as part of our mandatory quarantine process. They are all housed in ITBP camp, Manesar camp, as well as in Jaisalmer, and they are undergoing the required mandatory screening. Medical checkup is done on a daily basis and patients get monitored.
Number 10. Just please wait. Just please wait.
Supplement to what Joint Secretary has mentioned. Say, well, let me. Is it okay? Can you hear? Yeah. So the Indians who are in Iran, and I think these are have been very well looked after by our mission. The ambassador is giving a lot of attention to them. Of course, in a situation like that, you will find both some positive cases, given the extensive spread of the virus in Iraq. But we rest assured that every care is being taken by the mission in coordination and cooperation of the government of Iran for the safety of our Indians there. Thank you.
Number 10.
Mr. Agarwal, is the government going to do confirmatory tests after the private laboratories have declared positive or negative as per the samples? And my second question is, are you also looking at allowing private hospitals to admit patients with severe cases?
While we take your question, in fact, there was a detailed press conference by ICMR actually about the labs and the testing thing. But however, we have noted down. If he wants to add anything, that's all.
No, I would just like to highlight detailed information has already begun how private sector labs will be put operational. So as of now, we do not think there is a clear detailed guidelines given by ICMR. Those protocols will be followed. So we'll go accordingly based on that.
99. All details are provided in that particular briefing, and please refer to that reference. 99.
सर अभी तक कितने टोटल लोगों को क्वारंटाइन किया गया है, और अगर एक डिटेल मिल जाए कि कितनों को होम क्वारंटाइन किया गया है और अभी कितनों को हॉस्पिटल में क्वारंटाइन किया जा रहा है, और आज की डिटेल क्या है, कितने लोग अभी क्वारंटाइन में हैं?
देखिए, अभी इंसिडेंटली मैं वो डिटेल्स इस टाइम नहीं लेकर आया हूँ, बट आई वुड बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू गिव दोज डिटेल्स. पीपल हु हैव बीन क्वारंटाइन, आई कैन गिव यू डिटेल्स whom we have done evacuation, not the total number, but we have brought people from Wuhan, China. We have brought people from the Diamond Princess ship. We have also brought people from Italy and Iran, and they are all being quarantined. Large number of them have already been discharged. But there is also some people who are getting quarantined based on the recent issued travel instructions. I would be more than happy to give those details to you later on.
18.
Sir, if you could elaborate on private labs, you said that ICMR has advised those labs to conduct the test free of cost. So will government bear that burden, or what is the government stand in this? Because ICMR says
I
that...
think we told you earlier, detailed press conference on the
ICMR
lab. Yeah.
So let me just highlight, see, already ICMR has given this appeal. In terms of, first the process is all these private labs have to be ready with probes, primers and required details, and ICMR would be coordinating with them. This is the appeal presently. Based on that, details will be worked out by ICMR in collaboration with these labs.
Number 80 at the end.
सर वेस्टर्न मीडिया का एक सेक्शन ये रिपोर्ट कर रहा है कि इंडिया में बहुत सारे मामले दबाए जा रहे हैं, टेस्ट नहीं किए जा रहे हैं, इसलिए इंडिया में कम केसेस हैं. इसको लेकर क्या स्थिति है? और
I think you should go by the what the government of India is reporting. Western media
हाँ,
reports.
तो सर
We
उसी
are
पर
not seeing
पूछना
those.
चाह रहे हैं.
Okay, see, one thing you have to be, I mean, we all need to come to common clarity. As far as India is concerned, we have been 100% transparent. We have ensured that it is very important that, community be aware of what steps government is doing, what protocols government is following, and based on those protocols, what type of technical support, clinical support government is providing. I think it is important, through you we would like to request everyone in the country that we are following those protocols. We do not want unnecessary panic to be created. We do not want to come to a situation where we just test a person because he needs to be tested. See, it is very important to understand that unless until we follow these protocols, we'll end up unnecessarily creating panic. And that is why people who need to be tested, they have to be tested. I would also like to bring to your notice, as and when a positive case gets reported, even at 9 o'clock in the night, by 10 o'clock we are updating and bringing to the notice of everyone. So it is important for us that we keep community informed and take their support.
Number 5.
सर इधर. सर इधर पवन, दैनिक भास्कर. सर मोर देन 121 लैब आप लोगों ने उसके लिए नोटिफाई कर दिया. क्या ये आप बताने की पोजीशन में है कि देश में आईसीयू की बेड कितने हैं और वेंटिलेटर कितने?
I think these details we have to accumulate. I don't think he will have all the ready
Sir,
answer.
please answer to him, sir, please.
See, let me highlight that it is very important that we should be ready as country to manage if there are surging cases. With whole world effectively now reporting COVID-19 cases, country has to be prepared. In terms of number of isolation beds, not only isolation bed alone, it is important that country has to be prepared in terms of the capacity of the staff which is going to manage those isolation beds. This is an exercise which country has been doing from moment one when we started working on this. We have been increasing our capacity to manage situation based on the evolving situation in the world. On the 17th of January itself, the first letter which Secretary Health wrote to all the Secretary Health of the state, this was the first issue we have requested all the states to coordinate. And based on the evolving situation, number of beds in each state have actually been increased. In terms of absolute number, I think that may not be most relevant. What is most relevant is that, yes, country is aware that these beds have to be available. Parallelly, it is important that the required logistics should be made available, required facilitation should be done to ensure that those logistic arrangements are available, and also whether the staff is able to understand the technical guidance in terms of management of cases. I would also like to highlight to you that when we conducted training, national level training of trainers, not only people from every state, not only people and trainers from every central government, hospital, institutions like railways, defense and paramilitary forces, 1,000 notes were present online where large number of people were sitting and everyone was oriented in terms of what type of infection prevention control, what type of clinical management has to be done. I would also like to bring to your kind notice that to facilitate effective management of all the positive cases, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi, they have put up a call center. And in that call center, there the senior pulmonologists are providing services to a nodal officer identified by each state. So this is a nodal officer who is a pulmonologist again, who is monitoring the positive cases which are coming in their state, and if they need what type of clinical management protocol needs to be taken up, they can take advice from this particular call center, which is operating 24/7.
175.
हेलो सर, जितने भी ऐसे इंडियंस हैं जो कि ऐसे कंट्री में हैं जहाँ पे कि ट्रैवल एडवाइजरी जारी की गई है और वहाँ अगर उनका वीज़ा ख़त्म हो जाता है तो उनके वापस आने में या एक्सटेंशन में उनके वीज़ा के में किस तरीके की चीज़ें गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से की जाए?
We are aware of issues that are likely to come up as a result of the recent travel advisory. But we will be working with governments in those countries where the ban of travel has been imposed for those Indians who are stranded, and there are visa limitations and they need to be extended. This will be taken up. And we are already in conversation with the European missions, for example, the ambassador of European Union, to requesting them to address these such specific cases where Indians need further extension of visa if their visa get expired in course of time. So that's a priority for us and we will be taking it up with them. I'm sure all these countries also understand the extraordinary situation that we are all facing. Thank you.
Number 6.
एक मिनट दत्ता वालिया जी. Actually, in India, we are like the foreigners who are already in India. We are facilitating them, their stay in India. They can get their visa extension converted, also conversion and other services. And we are in the process of, granting these services on a gratis basis. The government has decided to grant these services on a gratis basis till the crisis lasts. So these things, for foreigners, we are looking after them if they are in India. And of course, the treatment part of the foreigners is being taken care of, as good as if they are Indian citizens, same level. So this is the expectation that Indians who are abroad, they will also get a similar treatment.
Yeah, number 6, please.
Sir, 7 more foreigners have tested positive since the last update. So would you please tell us from which country they belong to, the 7 foreigners, foreign nationals?
In terms of people who are from different countries, I'll just give you the figures. 113 cases out of 137 are Indian nationals and 24 are foreign nationals, and of which, to highlight that, few of them have also got cured also. So 17 Italian, 1 Canadian, 2 UK, 1 Indonesia and 3 positive in Maharashtra.
Sir, samajh mein ek second. 17 Italian, 1 Canadian.
So I think,
Could you please
to tell
repeat,
you very
sir?
frankly, I think again this number is immaterial.
No, sir, still we need to know from which country they are.
So I'll give you details later on. I think I would like to reiterate the point, most importantly as told by my senior colleague, primarily that, we are giving the similar treatment and same facilities which we are providing to our citizens in terms of treatment facilities.
Number 20.
My question is to Mr. Agarwal. Sir, we had already raised this question in the ICMR's briefing and we were told we should address it to the Health Ministry since they'd be in a better position to answer this. Sir, so the question is, since we are now adding private labs to the process, considering that option, the guidelines for them are going to be that they should ensure that the samples are collected at the doorstep itself so that people don't end up queuing at the private labs in the open and increase the risk of infection. However, at this particular stage, at the current stage, people are queuing up at the government hospitals, which are the testing centers, standing in the open in queues. They think they have symptoms.
Please make
they are
little brief,
related to
little
travel.
brief.
They might be related to some travelers. So I'm saying, will the government at some point start doorstep collection of samples? Will that begin?
So it is important to understand that right now clear guidelines have been issued to all the hospitals and all the places where sample collection is taking place to actually have systems in place that there should not be any infection spread within the hospital. To highlight further that we have also issued hospital infection prevention control guidelines long back, and that is what continuously we've actually been orienting all the hospitals and the states, and we are trying to ensure that there is no issue as such.
114.
Actually my question was something, but I have a follow-up of what she asked. At RML Hospital, there are very long queues and this has been a repetitive complaint. Also, I have a second question to Mr. Damu Ravi. I want to ask you, sir, about the 254 Indians, these are pilgrims at in Iran, how many of them are positive, have tested positive, and also there are 150 students, Indian students from Philippines who are right now in Kuala Lumpur. So what is the government doing to bring them back?
So as far as RML is concerned, the point I mentioned earlier, see, we have already advised RML, and you would also understand and appreciate that large number of people have gone to RML because of the scare factor. So that is why we have told that to provide sufficient orientation to people who are coming, maintain separate lines, people who may be symptomatic and have travel history, and people who are generally scared, they need to be oriented. Based on that, the people, for those people only where sample needs to be collected, should be collected.
Your first question with regard to Iran, as I said earlier, it's quite possible that a country which has a large spread of this virus, that there are some infected cases of even Indian pilgrims that are there. Now, I cannot confirm to you the list that has been floating in the social media, whether that's authentic or not. So we need to still verify whether how much of that is true or not. But it's quite possible that there is certain number. But be rest assured that we are taking every precaution to ensure that their safety of health is ensured, and the ambassador is giving the highest attention to it in consultation, cooperation of the government of Iran. So in course of time, we will know the accuracy of that, and I'm sure the media will also get to know about it. As regards the students in Philippines, of course, is following the advisory, travel advisory that has just gone out today. So our ambassadors are giving us the feedback as to what is the situation, and we are assessing that situation here and see what steps we can take next, because this is a sudden development, so there will be some inconveniences expected. So we will be dealing with the situation in consultation with the ambassadors.
39.
And the question is for Damu Ravi, sir. So what's the government's broader plan for Indian diaspora in Gulf, Middle East, mostly migrants, laborers, workers there who might be willing to come back, and you never know, later may be forced to leave the country?
You cannot have a well-defined plan at this point of time, because every day is important for us, and we have to take the crisis as it comes. Our advice and broadly is that Indians who are abroad should stay put where they are, because it's safer for them to be there because of the care that they could get in those places. But definitely cases which are very severe on compassionate grounds which need to come back to India, they should be advised to meet our ambassadors or high commissioners wherever they are, and then take the guidance to return. So that's broadly. Now, I cannot tell you at this point in time what is the future plan, but it all depends on how the situation evolves eventually, how magnified it becomes in course of time. So that's the limited point at this point is let us take step by step, assess the situation day by day.
Number 6.
ये है कि 13 पंथ क्वारंटाइन में 3-4 दिन में ही छोड़ दिया गया उनको, आज भेज दिया गया, और वो लोग ईरान, इटली, स्पेन, जर्मनी से आए हुए थे, जबकि 14 दिन का क्वारंटाइन पीरियड है। तो क्या कुछ बदलाव किया है आपने? सेकंड क्वेश्चन है कि महाराष्ट्र में केस बढ़ रहा है, तो क्या स्पेशल कोई आप स्टेप उठा रहे हैं उस राज्य के लिए, या मुंबई के लिए, या फिर पुणे के लिए?
सी एज फार एज जो हमारे जितने भी हमारे पास जो जिन देशों से लोग आ रहे हैं, हमने हमारे एयरपोर्ट हेल्थ ऑफिसर को सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्ट्री से कोऑर्डिनेट करते हुए एक जो गाइडेंस दी है वो ये कहा है कि पहले तो सारे जितने भी पैसेंजर्स आएँ उनको आप प्रॉपर स्क्रीनिंग कीजिए, और स्क्रीनिंग करके उनका हाई रिस्क प्रोफाइल एज वाइज या उनकी और कोई डिजीज़ है उसके बेसिस पर एनालाइज कीजिए, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट आफ्टर दैट एनालिसिस अगर आपको लगता है कि उनको फैसिलिटी क्वारंटाइन की ज़रूरत है तो आप उनको फैसिलिटी क्वारंटाइन में लेके जाइए। अगर आपको लगता है उनको फैसिलिटी क्वारंटाइन की ज़रूरत नहीं है तब आप उनको प्रॉपर एक रिस्क कम्युनिकेशन, एक उनको गाइडेंस देते हुए आप उनको अपने कॉल सेंटर का नंबर देते हुए उनकी डिटेल्स लेते हुए अपने स्टेट सर्विलेंस ऑफिसर को भेजते हुए आप उनको होम क्वारंटाइन की गाइडलाइंस एक्सप्लेन करके उनके घर भेजते हैं। दिस इज़ द प्रोसेस वी हैव एक्चुअली बीन फॉलोइंग। जैसे कि देखिए, एक चीज़ तो ये है, समझिए कि जैसे कि हम शुरू से कहते हैं कि हेल्प अस टू हेल्प यू। आप उस सिचुएशन में पैनिक क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अवेयर होने की ज़रूरत है, ठीक है ना। तो उस केस में अगर क्लिनिकली एक मेडिकल स्टाफ उनको एनालाइज कर रहा है, एनालाइज करके उनके रिस्क प्रोफाइलिंग कर रहा है, उसके बेसिस पर अगर डिसीजन लिया जाए तो ये माना जाना चाहिए कि वो केस जो है पॉजिटिव नहीं होगा। लेकिन क्योंकि आज जो पेशेंट अगर नेगेटिव है और हम उसको वायरस का इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड 14 दिन मानते हैं, तो उसको कंसिडरेशन में रखते हुए एज ए एडिशनल मेजर हमने लोगों को गाइड किया है कि आप 14 दिन होम क्वारंटाइन करें। साथ ही होम क्वारंटाइन में क्या प्रोसेस फॉलो करना है, हमारी क्या गाइडेंस है, टेक्निकल गाइडेंस, वो भी हम उन लोगों को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। तो आप ये एज्यूम करके चलें कि जो भी हाई रिस्क प्रोफाइल पर्सन उसमें होगा उसको हम फैसिलिटी लेकर जाएंगे, और जो लो रिस्क भी पर्सन होगा उसको हम प्रॉपरली गाइड करते हैं कि आपको कैसे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखनी है, आपको क्या क्या प्रिकॉशन लेनी है जब आप अपने घर पर भी होम क्वारंटाइन करते हैं। आप ये भी एज्यूम कीजिए कि जिस पर्सन को अगर आपने ढंग से उसको ओरिएंट किया है, कुछ केसेस छोड़ दीजिए, उन डेफिनेटली केसेस में बिकॉज हम उसकी हेल्प कर रहे हैं तो हम ये एज्यूम करते हैं कि वो पर्सन हमारी बात को फॉलो करेगा। तीसरी चीज़, जो हमारा स्टेट सर्विलेंस ऑफिसर है, थ्रू आर डिजीज सर्विलेंस नेटवर्क हम उन केसेस को रेगुलरली मॉनिटर करते हैं।
154, या
बंद है, मॉल्स बंद हैं, आवाज बंद है,
या प्लीज यूज माइक, जस्ट
स्कूल कॉलेज बंद हैं। दिल्ली मेट्रो के बारे में क्या प्लान है आप लोगों का? कितनी भीड़ है? 4-5 हज़ार लोग एक साथ चलते हैं।
क्राउडिंग इन द मेट्रो,
दिल्ली मेट्रो कितनी भीड़ एक साथ चलती है सर?
देखिए, ये एक इवॉल्विंग सिचुएशन है, जैसे मेरे सीनियर कोलीग ने बताया था। अगर आप देखें कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का रेस्पॉन्स इन कोलैबोरेशन स्टेट, जैसे जैसे सिचुएशन इवॉल्व होती रही उसके हिसाब से हमारा रेस्पॉन्स फैक्टर बढ़ता रहा। जैसे हमने कल जो डिटेल्ड एडवाइजरी इशू की है, जो कि हमने सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स को बोला है, इंक्लूडिंग रेलवेज, मेट्रो, सबको वो एडवाइजरी गई है, उसमें हमने उनको बताया कि क्या प्रिकॉशन लेनी चाहिए कि चाहे वो मेट्रोज हों, चाहे वो बस स्टैंड्स हों, बस हो, रेलवेज हो, या इवन एयरप्लेन्स हों, उनमें क्या क्या प्रिकॉशन रखनी चाहिए ताकि इन्फेक्शन प्रिवेंशन हम कर पाएँ। तो ये गाइडलाइंस इशू की हैं। उसमें हमने साथ में उनको ये भी कहा है कि आप जो फ्रिक्वेंटली टच सर्फेसेज हैं उनको हमेशा डिसइंफेक्ट करें। ये आपको मान के चलना पड़ेगा, ये इट इज़ ए कंबाइंड प्रोसेस। जैसे कि मैं आपसे पहले भी कहा, संपूर्ण समाज, समस्त सरकार, हमें सबको ये, दिस इज एन एक्सरसाइज विच कैन नॉट बी डन बाय एन इंडिविजुअल और बाय गवर्नमेंट अलोन। दिस कैन ओनली बी डन जब हम लोग मिलके काम करें। इसके लिए हमें एक अवेयर सिटीजन का सपोर्ट चाहिए, इसके लिए हमें आपका सपोर्ट चाहिए, आपकी गाइडेंस चाहिए कि जिसके थ्रू ये मैसेज कम्युनिटी में और जाए। हम डिफरेंट चैनल्स के थ्रू कम्युनिटी को अवेयर कर रहे हैं, ओरिएंट कर रहे हैं, और हम सब मिलके कैसे इस इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज़ के जो हमारे को इसका खतरा लगता है उसको कैसे कम से कम करके मैनेज कर सकें, ये हमें कलेक्टिवली करना है।
17.
Hello, sir. So a follow-up to the question on public transport, sir. With the, like some of the patients had a travel history of a history of traveling in public transport. Okay, even after that, your social advisory, social distancing advisory, only states that maintain a proper social distance. Okay, in that may be possible in other countries maybe, but in locals, Mumbai locals or Delhi metro, that is not possible. Even now you are still making an advisory even though there have been patients which have actually traveled in this. How sure are you, and when do you expect to come out with a compulsory guideline for banning public transport or any such harsher measures?
जो हमारी ट्रैवल एडवाइजरी है वो बड़ी क्लियर है, जो हमारी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग एडवाइजरी वो बड़ी क्लियर है। आप ये मान के चलिए कि हम फिर से आपको रिपीट करते हैं, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं और आपके थ्रू कम्युनिटी से रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि पैनिक में रहने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। आज भी जो केसेस हमारे पॉजिटिव पाए गए, जिनकी अगर कोई ट्रैवल हिस्ट्री भी थी, तो आप ये मान के चलिए कि वो उस टाइम के केसेस से जब कहीं पर उनकी रिपोर्टिंग नहीं हो रही थी देशों की, उस टाइप की ट्रैवल हिस्ट्री के लोग भी थे। तब भी हमारे सर्वेलेंस सेटअप ने उनको चेकअप किया, उनको आइडेंटिफाई किया, उनको अब आज हम मॉनिटर करके, एंड वी आर इन ए सिचुएशन वेयर दोज पीपल आर गेटिंग क्योर्ड ऑल्सो। पैनिक नहीं करते हुए, अवेयर होते हुए क्या प्रिकॉशंस लें कि हम इससे मैनेज कर सकें, दैट शुड बी आर टारगेट। हाउएवर हैविंग सेड दैट, अगर कभी भी सरकार को लगेगा, जैसे कि मेरे कुलीग ने कहा कि ये बड़ी इवॉल्विंग सिचुएशन है, तो जो स्टेप सरकार को लेने की जरूरत होगी सरकार लेगी।
28।
तो आप देख रहे थे स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय में संयुक्त स्वास्थ्य सचिव लव अग्रवाल की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, जहां पर कोविड-19 की रोकथाम और इसको कैसे और सतर्कता से इससे निपटा जा सकता है उसके बारे में डिटेल में वो जानकारी दे रहे थे।